Good morning, my name's Chris Tapley. We live in Buckhurst, Essex. All of a sudden we got problems with our Wi-Fi connection. I work from home, so I was getting a breakdown in my Zoom calls, team calls as well, to do with the strength of the Wi-Fi. Also, we couldn't get certain television channels, having a problem with that. And also my son was getting lagging on his Xbox and connection problems. Rang Wi-Fi Heroes. They were brilliant, came in, assessed it all, and recommended a sort of Wi-Fi booster system, which didn't take much trouble installing, and now I've got no problems whatsoever. Strong Wi-Fi signal, good connection in my office for working from home, and also Peter my son is getting a fantastic connection on his Xbox as well, which is good. He's happy. Let me just quickly introduce you, and he can tell you all about that.
Hello, my name's Peter. I've always had problems with lag on my Xbox, but ever since I got Wi-Fi Heroes, my Wi-Fi's been 10 times better.
Brilliant, there you go. Happy son, happy life.